Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to howtocookgreatfood.com. Here we go. We're going to make an incredible chicken curry. That is absolutely banging. No tomatoes. We're using yogurt today. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Did I mention it was beautiful? Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we need. So at the back, my chicken, whole chicken, skin on, bone in. I've got 1 kg of chicken there, different parts, some drumsticks, some thighs, some wings, whatever. 2 cups of plain yogurt or curd, 1 onion cut nice and small, chilies, fresh chilies. There's a lot of chili in this one. There's about 8 there, I think. You can adjust that as much as you want, and I'm not chopping them, I'm putting them in whole. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. At the back, what I always call the big 4. So we've got a nice heaped teaspoon there of cumin, coriander, chili and turmeric. And then here we've got some whole spices that are going to go in first. We've got like 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some bay leaf, some dried red chili and about 6 or 7 green cardamoms. We're going to start this off with some oil, get our spices in. That's about it. Might add a few other bits and pieces. Okay, so I've got my pan here. I'm using my favourite wok at the moment. Got some oil in there. I've got quite a lot of oil in this one. You can reduce the amount if you like. We're going to drop in our whole spices. In they go. They being cumin seeds, green cardamom, bay leaf and some red chilies. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the chicken, and we're going to fry our chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let's go. See you then. Fantastic. So we've got some nice colour on the chicken. Probably not cooked all the way through yet. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce that oil down just a little bit, then I'll be back. Okay, now we're going to add in our onion. I've cut mine really small. Our garlic ginger paste. Our fresh chilies. Staying on this lively heat, let's go for about another 3 minutes. Fabulous. Okay, I'm going to get our powders in now. Let's take another look. So equal parts here of cumin, coriander, turmeric and chili powder. If you want, you could be using a curry powder you already have. I just find this a bit better. We're now going to add salt into the mix. And just for 2 minutes, keep this moving. Let's get our powders all around the place. But keep it moving, because if they burn, they will get bitter. We don't want that now, do we? Fantastic stuff. Okay, let's now grab our yogurt or our curd. So I've got about 2 cups here. In that goes. Let's get that mixed in. Then we're going to lower the heat to just above a simmer. We're going to get a lid on this, and we're going to leave it alone on this low heat, lid on, for about 7 to 8 minutes. You're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Let me get some steam out there for you. And that is looking amazing. Really, really amazing. Check that for salt. What I'm going to do now is add a little bit of garam masala powder, nice little pinch or two. And then I'm going to add some fresh cilantro and fresh mint, which I've got here chopped together. Little mix, and that's it. Really, really, really super tasty, lovely chicken curry with no tomatoes. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.